Hi guys, Ben Guilford here. I'm the owner of the Firebox company, and this is a quick video to tell you about some of the accessories that we have for our range of Argentinian grills. The first of those accessories is our heavy duty canvas cover. Okay, this is custom made for us. Very, very heavy duty. This is designed to live out in the elements and get an absolute beating. So putting that on your grill is very simple. First thing we'd actually recommend is you take your round bar grills and put them on the very top. Okay, and that's going to support the top of the canvas and prevent it from forming a nice big puddle in the top. With your round bars on the top of your grill, get your canvas cover and put it on. So that's our canvas cover. Again, they're custom made to each grill. We have one for each of the grills that we sell, whether it's inbuilt or freestanding. We have a cover for it. And the reason for that is that while the stainless steel will be completely unaffected by the rain, the lining of the Firebox is refractory. So you have refractory brick backed up by refractory insulation. Both of those materials are very, very porous. They will soak up water and hold it like a great big sponge. Okay, so if you just leave your grill out in the rain and let the Firebox get wet, it's going to hold that water. Small amount of water, not a problem. The next time you fire it up, that'll just get driven off. If you allow your floor to get completely saturated and then you get a big fire going in your Firebox, you do run the risk of a burst of steam in the floor of the Firebox, and that's something we really want you to avoid. Now, it's not the end of the world if it does get wet and you feel it's gotten quite wet. Just get small fires burning in there, be it firewood or charcoal, to slowly dry your grill back out. Just don't go straight to a massive firing straight away. All right, so a couple more things that we can offer you are some beautiful tools to use with your grill. These tools are made by Grand Ridge Forge in Victoria, and they do a beautiful job at making these. They're absolutely gorgeous, handmade tools. So what we have here is an ash pan and an Ember rake. Okay, the ash pan is great for cleaning out the grill at the end of the day, so you might want to shovel all of the embers out, maybe put them into a bucket of water to sort of extinguish them, or you might just want to clean your grill, and hey, the ash pan does a great job of that. The Ember rake is for moving your coals around, so you might be burning timber down on one side and raking it across, and the Ember rake is perfect. It's custom made for doing that, so do consider those. Another thing you might be interested in are our butcher's hooks. Okay, we have small and large, great for hanging things. So you might want to hang a chicken up or pineapple, or hey, I've seen an octopus hanging up over one of these grills. Go for it. So we've got those hooks available too. So again, if you have any questions about any of our accessories, please just reach out to us. We'll be happy to help.